Now there's a better way to protect tile, porcelain, and natural stone installations from cracks and fractures. SpiderWeb 2 Uncoupling Mat from Custom Building Products. It's the waterproof, vapor-proof uncoupling membrane you can apply over even the most challenging substrate. SpiderWeb 2 is different from conventional bonded membranes. Its unique design shears away or uncouples when exposed to excessive movement in the substrate. As a result, the integrity of the surface and the tile is preserved. With heat-welded fleece on top and bottom, SpiderWeb 2 locks mortar into the mat at every point of contact for better bonding. And SpiderWeb 2 works with both modified and non-modified mortar. Made from over 70% recycled pre-consumer materials by weight, SpiderWeb 2 contributes toward green building requirements without sacrificing performance. Plus, it contains no VOCs. What's more, when you use SpiderWeb 2 Uncoupling Mat with qualifying mortars, you'll earn Custom Building Products Lifetime Systems Warranty. SpiderWeb 2 complements common subfloors from concrete to plywood and OSB. And SpiderWeb 2 is both versatile and durable. That makes it ideal for a wide array of interior and exterior applications, like these. And it's recommended for use with a variety of tile and natural stone products. The quick and efficient installation of SpiderWeb 2 begins once you've applied mortar to your surface, using a 1/4 by 1/4 square notch trowel or a 5/16 by 1/4 V-notch trowel. Press SpiderWeb 2 Uncoupling Mat into the mortar. Make sure to place SpiderWeb 2 straight down. This will help eliminate voids under the mat. Next, grab a hand roller or use the flat side of a trowel and embed the mat into the mortar. Work from the middle of the mat outward to maximize the bond and minimize trapped air. Check every so often to make sure your mortar coverage is 100%. For non-waterproof installations, simply butt together individual pieces of mat, like so. Then, burn in a coat of mortar. Using the flat side of your trowel, ensure all recesses in the mat are filled. Next, use the proper notch trowel to comb grooves into your burn coat. Now set your tile. Be careful not to use more mortar than can be covered before it begins to set. If you need to waterproof your installation, SpiderWeb 2 Uncoupling Mat makes it easy. Begin by following each step we've just described, installing the perimeter of the room first. Next, butt all joints together and seal them with RedGuard fabric membrane seal tape. Spread a flat coat of mortar where the seams meet. Careful to cover at least 4 inches on both sides of the seam. Now take your 1/4 by 1/4 square notch trowel or your 5/16 by 1/4 V-notch trowel to cover the flat coat with additional mortar. Apply the RedGuard fabric membrane strip into the mortar. Using the flat side of the trowel or putty knife, firmly press the membrane strip into the mortar, removing any creases and air bubbles. Next, apply Custom's preformed RedGuard fabric membrane, inside or outside corners. Apply mortar to the wall and floor, out approximately 4 inches. Push the fabric membrane corner into the mortar and smooth using a putty knife to eliminate air pockets and ensure full mortar contact. Then, use the RedGuard seam tape at the transition between wall and floor. Overlap preformed corners and other pieces of seam tape, and continue the same process at all transitions. Reliable crack suppression, dependable waterproofing, easy installation. SpiderWeb 2 Uncoupling Mat, only from Custom Building Products.